guys, welcome back to Hike Oregon. Today's video is going to be a little historic trip to Klamath Falls. If you are new here, welcome to the Hike Oregon family. I make hiking and backpacking vlogs, as well as gear reviews and just general tips and tricks videos to help you become a more confident hiker and backpacker. If you enjoy content like that, click that red subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are notified every time I make a new video. And if you want more content from me, you can always support me over on Patreon, where for as little as just $1, you get extra content each month. So over my birthday weekend back in June, we went down to Klamath Falls. My fiance's grandpa settled there in the 1930s, and he built a house and started a jewelry business, Ricky's Jewelers. And I got to see where Corey grew up and get to know Klamath Falls a little bit better. So join me on this little historic trip around the area. Klamath Falls, originally named Linkville, was founded in 1867 by George Nurse. The name was changed to Klamath Falls in 1893 to reflect its location on the Link River. The town saw significant growth after the arrival of the Southern Pacific Railroad in 1909 and the establishment of the Klamath Reclamation Project, which significantly transformed the region by converting swamps and lakes into irrigable land. Klamath Falls grew quickly from a few hundred to several thousand. Dozens of lumber mills cut fir and pine trees, and the industry flourished until the late 1980s when the northern spotted owl and other endangered species were the driving forces in changing western forest policy. Klamath Lake is approximately 25 miles long and 8 miles wide and extends northwest from the town. The wetlands along the lake attract thousands of migrating birds every year and is a spectacular spot for birders. The surrounding mountains offer great hiking opportunities in the Mountain Lakes Wilderness and the Sky Lakes Wilderness, and of course there is the iconic Crater Lake National Park, only 45 minutes from town. The population of Klamath Falls is about 22,000 people, and it really has that great small town charm to it. The people were so friendly, and I really loved how quiet it was. There wasn't a lot of traffic, the birds were singing, and it just felt really peaceful. During the trip, we got to stay at the Running Y Resort, which was actually a fully operating ranch before the resort was built. Some of the highlights were getting to see the house that my fiance's grandfather built by hand in the 1940s, meeting some of his family who still live down there, and enjoying some of the delicious eateries that have been in business since he was a child, like David's Brawny Burger, which was honestly one of the best burgers I've ever eaten. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this little trip video was interesting for you and you got to know Klamath Falls a little bit better. If you don't already, go ahead and follow me over on Instagram. That's where I post all of my recent hiking and backpacking adventure pictures. And if you want to hike and backpack here in this amazing state of Oregon, check out my website, hikeoregon.net. You'll find tons of information there about beautiful summer hikes, summit hikes, wildflower hikes, numerous backpacking trips you can do around the state. And on the website, you will also have access to purchase all of the hiking guidebooks that I've written over the years. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next adventure.